this video I'm going to show you how to make an infinite mirror. But first I'll tell you what an infinite mirror really is. It's a simple concept with stunning optical illusion that light makes by reflecting into two mirrors in which we could see in one side of the mirror, and it will give you perception of great depth to a very thin frame. What's important to mention is that it will only take you 50 to 100 euros. So let's get started. This is the infinite mirror that we are going to make through this video. You can use this idea to make really awesome ornaments. So let's begin. To make an infinite mirror, you simply need a mirror. You decide for the size. You also need a one-way mirrored glass, so one side of the glass is a mirror and the other side is like a normal glass. You can buy one like this or just apply a window tint to a normal glass. The most important thing in this project is light, mainly everything that produces light. You need to put the light in the middle of mirrors. This is the infinite mirror illusion I've been talking about. Best for this project are LED lights, especially those in string. These are called flexible LED strip, and they are perfect for this project. You can see how light multiplies infinite time, or actually until the light beam loses. They come in series 5 meters long, rounded here with 10 centimeters each section, where you can cut it to make custom installations like I did. To do that, you need to solder in the cut sections with some wires. Usually these flexible LED strips have two copper tabs and require two wires to solder in each tab, but this strip is called RGB LED strip and it has 4 copper tabs, so it requires 4 wires to solder. RGB is red, green, blue, and actually this strip can produce light in every color with a mixture of these 3 colors. Every color except black, which it's off when the lights are off. The lights are arranged in series as shown in this schematic. My strips of lights are soldered and they are ready to stick. This is the longest strip, which will be rounded all over the frame, and these are the strips intended to stick around the 3 shapes in the middle. Next, you need a place to stick the strips between the mirrors. I strongly recommend you to get aluminum spacer. These are designed especially for glasses, so cut them to the length that you want and stick around the glass, and there is a perfect place to stick the strips. You will see it. These spacers are used to make double pane glass. The spacers are finished. Now here are the strips finished too. I have stick them all around the aluminum spacers. These are the wires that will be connected to each other, and actually they will go in these mirror holes. If you want to add any shape in the middle, you need holes in the mirror for the wires. Next, you need something to hold the glasses. I recommend you to use a wooden picture frame for hanging on the wall. But if you wanted to use somewhere else, then decide on your own. It will hold glasses while it is hanged on the ceiling of my room. These are the nails that will actually hold the frame hanging up there. Place the one-way mirrored glass on the frame. Now the mirror is also placed upside down. These are the wires of the longest strip and they will be connected to this microcontroller and with the other wires of the shapes in the middle so they can work together. They are managed to change lights and receive current through this microcontroller, which has its own pilot that you are able to change colors. Now I'm connecting the strips with each other and with the microcontroller. Now they are all connected with each other. These wires come out from the longest strip, which is round all over the frame. So from the microcontroller all around the frame, it continues at circle, then at triangle, and then the wire go to the last hole and end to the square. The microcontroller required to 12 volts, so I'll use this adapter. And after I connect to the adapter, it's almost done. It just needs alternating current. It's ready now, so I'll prepare to hang it on the ceiling. This is the place where I'm going to place the infinity mirror. These nails are supposed to be able to hold that huge thing. It's now hanged up there, but the lights are off. So when I turn on the light, the illusion comes alive. Yay! This is the depth perception and the thin frame. You can use this idea to place, not to place just in the ceiling, wall, or even floor. For example, you can use this idea as a design for a table, or even for the end of a pool. Imagine the perception of depth in the water. Okay, they are just some of my other ideas. But it's awesome too in the ceiling. This was my first video, so please rate and comment. Tell me if this was helpful or whatever. So goodbye.